Okay, let's talk about what's really in your skincare and what you should probably avoid.
Ever wonder why your skin is so sensitive? That burning, breaking out, it's super common. This doctor had a huge realization. It wasn't her skin that was the problem.
The problem is often hidden irritants, even in products that are labeled gentle.
All right, culprit number one is a big one. Fragrance, also known as parfum.
It's a top cause of dermatitis, and get this, reactions can show up months later.
So, the fix is easy. Just look for formulas that are clearly marked fragrance-free.
Next up, harsh sulfates. These are the things that make your cleansers super sudsy.
That foam feels clean, but it's actually stripping away all your skin's good natural oils.
Exactly. That squeaky clean tightness? That's actually your skin telling you it's irritated.
So instead, look for sulfate-free cleansers. They clean just as well without the harshness.
Okay, moving on to culprit number 3, drying alcohols. They can feel refreshing at first,
But the problem is, they evaporate so quickly, taking your skin's moisture with them.
But hey, quick note, fatty alcohols like cetyl alcohol are totally different. They're actually moisturizing.
All right, now for a controversial one, parabens. We need preservatives, but these are tricky.
The research is still ongoing, but a lot of people just choose to play it safe.
This next group of preservatives can be really irritating for some people. Formaldehyde releasers.
Yeah, these slowly release formaldehyde. If you've got sensitive skin, you'll want to skip these.
And finally, let's talk about ingredients that basically put a heavy seal over your skin.
So things like mineral oil can trap sweat and bacteria, which is not great for acne-prone skin. Instead, try choosing lighter, more breathable options like squalene or barrier-supporting ceramides.
Okay, so you don't need to throw everything out at once. A slow, simple approach is best. And this is the most important thing to remember from all of this, okay?
Your skin is just reacting to what you're putting on it. It's that simple.
So go have a look. What's actually hiding in your products? Now you know how to check.